and welcome to my Christmas tree, or I guess handmade ornament tour. I make a lot of felt ornaments on my channel, and you guys have been requesting for the past 2 years for me to show off all of my ornaments that I've made. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys all of the ornaments I've been making since 2012, which is when I started making these guys. And yeah, here we go. Let's start off with the star. So as you can see, my tree topper, which is a star. I thought it was perfect to put Kirby on a big yellow star. It's just so simple and so dang cute, and I absolutely love it. I love the simplicity of it, and it's just really cute. I've just got like a stuffed star here, and there's like a hole in it, so you can put the top of the tree in there. So you just stick it on, and there you go. I think it's pretty simple and bright and cute. I need to put a light in there, huh? Maybe some fairy lights, that would be pretty cute. There you go. When I first started making these ornaments, I started off with Pokemon. So my first ornament ever is this Togepi. It's kind of sad looking, but you know, it's my first one. Of course, I had to make a Pikachu ornament because, you know, it is Pikachu. And as you can see, I did a lot of stylization with these Pokemon. They're kind of chibi, kind of adapting their look with a sewn form. And something that I really wanted to do was make them really look handmade, so I have this white border stitching going around the outside of them, which I actually ditched later on. I just thought the clean look of the not white stitching just looked a lot better, so it's something that I do later on. But for now, with these Pokemon ornaments, I just really like that handmade look, so I've got the white border on all of them, and I really like to play around with their button eyes. Turning their features into sewn things like Ghastly's eyes, I think is just really fun and really cute, and I really like it. I also really like to play around with dangly bits, so of course Hunter's got his floating hands with red glowing around them. I think that's pretty cute. Quite stylized, of course. If you've noticed, the color of the string changes depending on their type. So Torchic is fire type, so I gave it a red string. Diglett is ground, I think, so a brown string. I think this was my second ornament. And likewise, a Poliwag is water, so a blue string. The colored strings are something I'd also ditch later on because I think the colored strings are just a little too attention grabbing while they're on the tree. But this is something I did keep, I think, with my Pokemon ornaments, even when I stopped doing the white border. I just think black blends into the tree a little bit more. You want to see the ornaments, not the dang string they're hanging from. One of my favorites as far as dangly bits go, I just love his little poot clouds hanging around. It's so funny. I love it. And of course, I had a lot of fun with this guy's face. Just look how angry he is. He's like, I'm gonna get you, I'm so mad. I thought the cocoon Pokemon would be really cute as ornaments because, you know, they're hanging in a tree. A few of these were gifts to friends, so I made a duplicate for me. So this one was a gift to a friend, and I made one for myself. I think this one is probably one of the best that has turned out looking really nice. A little Psyduck. Gotta have those dangly bits for Drifloon, so cute. And I think my best gag was Wailmer. He has 2 dangles because he's so big to hang him up on the tree. I just love it. I love how big this guy is. Absolute unit, you could probably say. And of course, a Pokeball. I think I had planned to make other Pokeballs, but I thought it was kind of boring, so I stopped there. After I got a little bored with Pokemon ornaments, I thought it was time to move on to another series, which I thought would be perfect for ornaments, which I think is now my favorite to make, Animal Crossing. I think the first Animal Crossing ornament I ever made was my favorite villager, Wart Jr. I just think he's so ugly in a cute way, and we kind of bonded in New Leaf. Not really a Peanut fan, but she was in my New Leaf village, so I had to make one of her because we were BFFs. Ed was never in my town, but look at this character. He's just, look at him. He's pretty freaking fabulous. Couldn't resist making him. Gabby was another villager in my New Leaf town, so I had to make her. I wanted to get into making cats, so I made Punchy. And of course Bob, just look at him. And Rover, of course we've got Rover. We've got Bunny, who I think has a really cute face, and I just love her colors too. I made this basic villager for Smash Bros when it came out. Probably should have made my own that kind of looked like me, huh? And if you are from my main channel, which you probably are, you saw me make these special character ornaments in a recent video. Dr. Shrunk, who I absolutely love. I love his little things. Isabelle, who of course has actual real bells on her. Of course we had to make Jingle to keep it festive. And Tom Nook because it's Animal Crossing. It's not Animal Crossing without Tom Nook. And because they were very easy and just circles, I've got a Pitfall and a Fossil. Cute and easy and simple. Alright, let's keep it Nintendo themed and move on to some Zelda ornaments. I thought these little guys would make for some good variety in color and just be really simple and recognizable, so we've got lots of rupees in every color. And of course you can't have rupees and Zelda without Tingle, which is one of my favorite characters from Zelda. He's just so goofy. Look at all the details in his face. I love it. I also couldn't resist making the other Tingle brothers. We've got Ankle, Knuckle, and everybody's favorite, you know, David Jr. I just love how different, just a little bit, each of their faces are. Especially David Jr. Just look at those cheekbones. Look at that little pucker of a lip. I'm just now realizing how many duplicates of Zelda I have with different colors, but we've got Choo Choo from the Wind Waker series style. I just loved how colorful they are, and the little lines under their eyes are just different colors, and they're just so cute. I loved them. An Ocarina, or Ocarina, whatever you want to say, from Ocarina of Time. Navi, who's just a little floppy. A Triforce because, come on. A Goron from the Breath of the Wild game, as well as a Bokoblin from the Breath of the Wild game. And last, but certainly not least, the most popular ornament I've ever made, the Korok from Breath of the Wild. I made this into a video also, and oh my gosh, he did turn out really good, and he's super freaking popular. Look how cute he is. Real sticks. Those are real sticks. And little buttons as the berries. Oh gosh. Love this little guy. Moving on to some controller ornaments I've made. So this is the NES controller, pretty dang cute with all the little details. Moving up to the Super Nintendo, which is one of my favorite consoles ever. Also very cute controller. Next up is the Nintendo 64 controller. Z button was not forgotten. A lot of people's favorite. We have the GameCube controller. And the Wiimote, which I think is really cute. I have a ribbon connecting the two pieces, and you can hang them separately, however far or close on the tree that you want. I think that's just a really cute detail. Next is this random Amiibo logo. I just thought it was really cute and colorful and simple. Next up, we've got a bunch of PacMan ornaments, which is of course a bunch of ghosts in different colors because they're simple and cute and colorful. And PacMan himself, which I made alongside with the villager, which was for Smash Bros, I think. Tetris pieces, which I have the remainder of the shapes cut out, but for some reason I haven't sewn them together, even though they're so simple. I need to get on that. Next, we've got some Pikmin ornaments. So we've got Olimar, the red Pikmin, the blue Pikmin, and of course the yellow Pikmin. I do have a Louie ornament cut out, I just don't have him sewed together, and I need to make the other Pikmin like the purple and white, and the rock, and the fairy. I gotta do them all one day. Next up, one of my favorite Nintendo series at the moment, we have some Splatoon ornaments. We've just got the basic Octoling and Inkling, little dudes. We've got Judd and little mini Judd. Oh my gosh, he's so tiny and cute in comparison how big regular Judd is. I love these guys. They're adorable. We've got Pearl, and we've got a little Dangle, which I love. This was my first time using watercolor to make a faded effect on the white felt, which was really hard and scary, but honestly actually kind of easy, and it worked really, really well. And we've got Marina, who was really hard with her hair to do, but again, I think she turned out pretty dang good. That is the last of the Splatoon ornaments, so let's move on to Mario ornaments. Funny enough, I actually don't have a Mario ornament. Starting off with these Yoshi ornaments, which is another one of those really easy but cute and simple variety of color ornaments. I do have an easy tutorial on how to make these on my YouTube channel. And of course, we've got to have Yoshi with them. Look at him eyeing those eggs. This was made for a friend, and I made a copy for myself. For some reason, the only Mario item I've made is this Tanuki leaf, so there it is. The last set of Mario ornaments are these Paper Mario star ornaments, which is my favorite game, so I had to make these little star guys from it, and they turned out so dang good, and they look so cute together. Plus, stars are a good decoration for Christmas, right? Before I show off my more original creations, here is a variety of random fan art things that don't really have a big category. We've got an original character that was made for a friend, and I made myself a copy. My first attempt at a somewhat human ornament. Horrible, horrible, horrible Ponyo. Ponyo, I am so sorry. I mean, she's supposed to look derpy, but that just looks horrid. A Totoro, which as you can see, these are with the white outline, which means I made them pretty early on with my ornaments. Yes, I even have some My Little Pony ornaments, which these are the most detailed and intricate ornaments I've ever made, and I don't even have all of them made, unfortunately. They were just so complicated. I had to give up and take a break, and then I never really got back into making them, but the ones I do have look really good, especially Pinkie Pie. I think her hair really works for this ornament style. But yeah, they're so complicated, and there's just so many little details that I didn't finish 2 of them. But here are the ones I did make. Fluttershy's hair especially looks really nice in felt form. The little wings. Just the way her hair hangs is perfect for felt. Oh gosh, it just looks... So don't look at her from the front. Not a good look. You're gonna want to look at them from the side. This guy is a mascot from a snack from a Tokyo Treat ornament video, as well as this little guy. And these are ornaments based off of YouTube Animators, which is also from a video that you can watch here, if I put a link here. Okay, so let's get into the more original creations. We are going to look at my food-inspired ornaments first, and then the more random original stuff. Of course, we have a corn dog, a piece of pizza with some hanging cheese, a chicken leg, a ham, bacon, a steak, cartoon meat as I call it, buttered toast, a waffle, a donut, one of my favorite ornaments, a Pop-Tart, which actually might be one of my favorite ornaments because it just looks so perfectly like a Pop-Tart with the edges and everything. Oh my gosh, yum. A fried egg, an ice cream cone, 3 types of cookies. We've got melon, jam, and chocolate chip. A little Japanese cookie, a gingerbread man. Gotta have something Christmas, right? A rice ball, edamame, avocado, watermelon, a strawberry dipped in chocolate, a taco, which is one of my favorites, taiyaki ice cream cone, bubblegum machine, a pizza wreath, heck yes, a piece of cake, a fake can of soda, a tomato skewer, takoyaki, peas, and Calbee potato sticks. A lot of these specific snacks were from a recent Tokyo Treat ornament-inspired video. That is it for the food-inspired ornaments. Next, we are just going to be looking at some random, more original, or just random objects. First is a really bad ornament of my character Hatch, which I need to redo. The assless mouse. A skull with a snake going through it. Panties, because why not? A sock to go with. A cute little poo. A reversible jack-o'-lantern, because nothing says Christmas like a jack-o'-lantern. A butt. A little Japanese Daruma doll. A Japanese fox shrine thing? Charm? I don't know. A cactus. This is a keyboard ornament I made for Dave in 2015, and he loves it, even though it's a stupid keyboard. A stocking that looks just like one of my homemade stockings that all of my family have. You can even put stuff in it. An ant, of course. A fishing pole with some fish hanging off of it. A ghost with a knife behind its back. And a snowman that has an interchangeable hat. So he has a bucket hat on right here. Next, he's got his little top hat on. And a Santa hat. And that is all of my ornaments made to date. I have yet to count them, so I challenge you. How many ornaments do you think I have? Comment down below, and then maybe, I'm guessing 103. I have absolutely no idea how close that is, but that's my number. All right, so here's a little montage of me decorating my Christmas tree. hope you guys enjoyed this little ornament tour. You should try making your own felt ornaments. It's really fun and they're so cute. And as someone who often does this, they make for really good gifts as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a happy holidays or just a happy December. Alright, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!